Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Lifetime Travel Mates. My name is Hyekyong and behind the camera is no one right now, but normally is Jordi, and together we are the Lifetime Travel Mates. So today is a very special day for me because I'm going to make kimchi. So kimchi is a super popular Korean fermented cabbage. It is considered one of the healthiest food in the world. These days I feel a little bit homesick and wanting to cook some Korean dish. So I figured why not making kimchi using local ingredients that we can easily get here in India. So it's kind of experiment for us and we are super excited. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you're new to our channel or if you want more videos like this. And also click the like button if you like this video. And please stay until the end because we're going to show you the result of the kimchi. Even after a few days later, how it changes, we're going to show you everything. So stay tuned and let's get started. So I have to cut this. I only have this small size knife. Anyway, have to do it.
Oh my god, how am I gonna do this?
It's huge! More cut. Now wash them in a cold water. Wash it well. I don't want any bugs in the kimchi. In the supermarket I got, they say it's a Goan local salt, so I'm gonna try. So you're gonna need these, I don't know, like a kosher salt or to put it each leaves of the cabbage. Let's do that. So this container was not enough for all the cabbage. I also used this one. Okay, now we're gonna wait for about 2 hours, and meanwhile I'm going to make the paste for kimchi, which is the most important thing in making kimchi. I got this rice flour, brown sugar. That's good. Just want to eat right now. This is going to make a very good kimchi paste. Let it cool down. So now we prepare the seasoning. So we will need the garlic, ginger, and onion. Look at this. I didn't know I'm going to be using this much amount of garlic. We're gonna use all of them. Ooh, now I'm tired. I don't want to make kimchi. Now let's check the cabbage. This cabbage made some amount of water. Yeah, I think it's going good. I just have to work. Smells good. Alright, let's check. Oh, not yet. Okay, nice. I can feel it. It already smells like kimchi. Alright, so now we mix these with the rice porridge thing we made before. Then I'm going to put this fish sauce. Normally, when you make kimchi, we put the shrimp sauce kind of thing. But I couldn't find the exact one. I read that you can substitute that with the fish sauce, so I'm going to use this. Mix, mix, mix. And then finally the chili powder. Everest chili powder. I could get easily. It's everywhere in the supermarket here in India. So I'm gonna use this one to make kimchi. Mix, mix, mix. Oh my god, this looks so spicy. Oh my goodness. But I think it's okay considering the amount of cabbage we have there. This should work. I think it's not going to be that spicy. It's not going to be that spicy.
Give me water.
Spicy! I'm gonna try a little bit. Oh, nice! So let's check the condition of the cabbage. Wow, it's much softer than first time. Yeah, I think it's ready to be seasoned. Look at this. Wow. You can use a transparent glove thingy, but I don't have it, so I'm just gonna use my hand. And you know later what's gonna happen, right? Looking good. This one we're gonna eat right away. So for this one, I'm gonna wait 24 hours outside to ferment. I'm going to share with you all the process, and then we're going to eat this right away.
So you want me to try this kimchi, no?
Yeah, I want your honest
Yeah,
review.
isn't it supposed to ferment and eat like after, I don't know, a month or two?
Yeah, of course you can wait. But normally when Korean people make kimchi, they also try the freshly made kimchi with the rice.
Ah, I see you put some sesame seeds here. Smells quite authentic, like Korean one. Not spicy, it's very mild. Ooh, at the end. Nothing on the mouth, no spice, no fire on the mouth, but when you swallow, ooh. I guess it's better to mix with rice. No, it's okay. I think you put too much spice. Oh my god, give me water.
It seems like Jordi didn't like it that much. It's good. Yeah, but maybe at the end, I don't know what it is, but something very strong. Maybe it's ginger? I cannot figure out. Oh, spicy!
I told you.
Maybe I put too much chili pepper. With rice it tastes better. We'll see how it changes. How the flavor changes when it ferments. I think it's fine. Hi guys, so 24 hours have passed and I'm going to show you how it looks like. Whoa, look at this. Lots of water. Oh my god. Jesus, it's full of water. Move some of it to a different jar or something. Too stinky. So now I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator for the slow fermentation. And I'm going to share with you how they change. Hi guys, so 3 days have passed and I'm going to show you how it looks like. Whoa, it smells like it's been in the refrigerator for like several years. Wow, it fermented quite fast, I think. Wow, I'm just gonna taste a little bit. It's not bad. Yeah, it's really spicy at the end. I think it's probably because I put too much ginger. There's this strong kick at the end. I wouldn't say this is like failure because it's eatable. Yeah, definitely there can be some improvement. Maybe a bit less chili pepper and maybe less ginger, but still it's good. It's good. Alright, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click like and let us know how you like this video on the comment down below, and also let us know if you ever tried making Korean food, what was the food and how was your experience. Alright, so we will see you guys on our next video. Bye! 안녕!
Hello, Izzy. Hi. You explore the world? And coming back home? Good girl. What do you want? What do you want? Oh, there you go. Over there. Oh, you're too sweet. You're too sweet. You're sweet. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You like sun? You like sunbathing? Huh? Someone likes sunbathing.